Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to share with you a method to make money online, and I'm chuckling to myself because the actual title of this video, it sounds a little bit creepy, doesn't it? You can earn money listening to calls and audio, but I promise you, there's nothing untoward here. This is a legitimate method to make money online with a website which has been around for a number of years. And look, if you don't, if you watch this video to the end and you think, well, it's okay, but I don't like that way to make money, come over to my blog. There's lots on here. You can see we have got making money online from home, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and lots more. So all of the links are down below for you. So let's jump into today's website. Where is it? It is this one over here. Now, this website here, they've been around for, I think, from research, I think it was about 9 years in total. And how it works is very simply review calls and you can get paid. Now you see this bit here, look, listen to a recorded phone call, answer a simple question with the click of a button, and you can actually earn real money. Now this website here, it's available to sign up from absolutely anywhere in the world. The only caveat to this, when I've been doing a bit of research, is you have to have a valid PayPal account, because that's how they go ahead and pay you, your money for doing these tasks. So if you don't have PayPal, that's the only drawback that I can find to this in terms of, the good part, which is being paid. Now you see here, what is human attic? So have you ever called the company and heard the operator say this call is being recorded? Well, that is these guys over here. See, we help our clients review their calls, we then provide them with analytical reports, and basically it's all about data, isn't it? So valuable data helps improve customer service and sales. So the website here, I'll drop a link to this below for you, but if you come down here, why this is, it's a simple and an easy way to make money online and from home. We will never charge you anything, we will pay you weekly, so it's a free resource to make money online. You don't have to make or receive phone calls, you don't have to have a live conversation with anybody, you don't need to be a third party during a conversation, and you don't have to transcribe any of the conversation. And also over on the website here, if I just show you this, you can click here, it's a frequently asked questions page. You can come over here and what is human attic, how do I apply, is it free, etc, etc. It also covers on here how do I get paid, which is we've spoke about, which is PayPal, how much money can you make, and lots more. So there's lots of stuff in here. In terms of the sign up process, I was doing a bit of research for the blog and I found this article over here, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go through and have a read of this. This was done over a year ago and it's human attic review, scam or legit. So if I come down here, I'll just highlight some of the key points what I noted for you. The Human Attic platform is free for workers to use and pays out weekly via PayPal. In terms of it paying out weekly, what I did notice was the minimum withdrawal from Human Attic is $10. So you can't withdraw until you've earned $10, or if you're in the UK, at today's rates, that's about, I think it's about £8, something like that. Now if we come down here, you can see they've been in operation for many of years. Let's just come further on the page here. This was, where is it, the basics. So come down here, I just want to show you this. So PayPal address, You cannot use two devices at once to log in, because basically you'll be logged out of the other device. So it says here, this is a very effective way to prevent people from cheating the system with multiple logins. So basically, you see on here where it says IP address, that basically means your home internet, or the internet that you're using. Once you register an account with this company, they will track your IP address. So, I couldn't log in here and do a bit of work here and then, I don't know, go down the road to my friends and log in there. It would literally kick me out of the account. So that's one thing to note. The other thing what I noted as well was, if I come further on the page here, where was it? I just want to show you this. On this article here, it shows you inside of the dashboard. This here, look, so what are the jobs like? So most of the work involves listening to recordings of calls and categorizing them. So the work itself is not that hard. You just need to memorize and study the guidelines for each category based on the guidelines, and then you tag each call appropriately. Very, very straightforward and very simple. So look, there's lots more information in this article down here for you. I'll leave this here. And the other thing I wanted to show you was this here. Look, it's a low-paying work from home site. Experienced call reviewers can earn from $1 to $4 per hour, but that depends on the availability of calls coming in. So look, realistically, are you going to be quitting your job or, just sat at home doing these calls all day? No, you're not. This is essentially a mini, and I say a mini side hustle. It's just another way to make some, simple and easy money from home and online. But you do need to have PayPal. So that's it's an option for you. I mean, realistically, I wouldn't recommend it to be honest with you. But again, it's a free option. It's available in lots of the countries around the world. But the bad points is very low pay, very time consuming, complaints on here. But look, there's a good side and a bad side. So it's free and simple platform. You can create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you want. You only have to listen to calls. You don't need to receive them, and payment is via PayPal. So look, these sorts of videos, I try to, stay away from them in general because of the low pay. But, people are saying, can you show us more methods to make money online? This is a method that you can use, if you have a little bit of time. I maybe do this on a lunch break or something like that. But, it's not going to set the world on fire. If you want more ways to, make money online, then just come over to my blog here. Come over here, go to where it says make money, and you can go on here, earn online, work from home, interview series. Lots of the methods that I share over on the blog here, I've done these myself over the years. I share, testimonials on these, I share case studies, and you can see on here, look, simple ways to make money online, make money with automated websites, earn money from home, side hustles, part-time jobs, etc, etc. There's lots of different methods, and you can see here this blog of mine, it's been going since 2017, so there's a lot of information on here, and there's also a members area with more free resources to make money online and from home. So look, that is today's video. That's how you can earn money listening to audio. Do I recommend it? Probably not, but it's another option for you in there. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.